Hello everyone, welcome back to Speakeasy English. I'm Henry.
Hi friends, I'm Luna. In the last episode, we talked about opening a bank account. Today, we are moving to the next step, depositing and withdrawing money at the bank.
In North America, people often visit the bank to deposit checks, take out cash, or ask questions about their account. It is part of normal daily life.
Maybe you just got paid and need to deposit your check. Or maybe you want some cash for the weekend. These are all very normal situations.
Yes, and the phrases we practice today will help you when you visit the bank in Canada or the United States.
We will guide you step by step, from arriving at the bank to making a deposit, asking questions, and then withdrawing money.
And remember, this is shadowing practice. We will say phrases slowly so you can repeat with us.
Repeating makes your pronunciation better and helps you feel more confident using English.
Okay, let's begin with what to say when you first walk into the bank.
When you first enter the bank, it is polite to look for the reception desk or the teller counter. A smile and a simple hello work very well.
Yes, you can start by saying something like, "Good morning," or "Hi, I have a question."
If you already have an appointment, you can say, "I have an appointment at 10 a.m." Or if not, just explain your purpose.
For example, you can say, "I would like to deposit some money," or "I need to withdraw some cash."
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I would like to deposit some money.
Another useful line is, "I need to withdraw some cash."
Sometimes the staff will ask, "How can I help you today?" That is your chance to be clear and direct.
You can also say, "I want to deposit a check," or "I need to take out $50.
Clear and short sentences make things faster at the bank.
All right, let's move on and talk about the steps for making a deposit.
Now let's talk about making a deposit. This is something you do when you want to put money into your bank account.
You can tell the teller, "I would like to deposit some cash," or if you have a check, you can say, "I would like to deposit this check."
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I would like to deposit some cash.
Good. For a check, the teller might ask you to sign the back. That is called endorsing the check.
If you are not sure what to do, you can ask, "Can you show me where to sign?"
Another useful question is, do I need to fill out a deposit slip? Sometimes the bank will fill it for you, sometimes you do it yourself.
The teller may also ask, "Which account would you like to deposit into, checking or savings?"
You can answer, "Please put it in my checking account," or "Please put it in my savings account."
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Please put it in my checking account.
Perfect. Once the teller counts the money or checks the deposit, they will give you a receipt.
Keep the receipt because it shows proof of your deposit.
Great. Now, let's move on and see how to ask about deposit details.
After you give the money or check, you may have some questions about the deposit. It is normal to ask for details.
For example, you might ask, how long will it take for the money to appear in my account?
Let's practice. Repeat after us. How long will it take for the money to appear in my account?
Good. If you are depositing a check, it might take a few business days. The teller may say it will be available in 3 to 5 days.
You can also ask, does the money go into my account right away if it is cash?
Another useful question is, do I need my account number? Sometimes they can find it with your card or ID.
If you are worried, you can say, can I have a receipt, please? The receipt shows the exact amount that was deposited.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Can I have a receipt, please?
Great. Asking questions like these shows you are careful and makes sure there are no mistakes.
All right. Now that you know how to confirm deposit details, let's talk about withdrawing money.
Now let's look at withdrawing money. This is when you want to take cash out of your account.
At the teller counter, you can say, I would like to withdraw $50, please.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I would like to withdraw $50, please.
Good. If you need more, just change the number. For example, I would like to withdraw $200.
The teller may ask, which account would you like, checking or savings?
You can answer, please take it from my checking account.
Sometimes they will also ask, how would you like the cash, in 20s or 10s?
You can reply, 20s are fine, or can I have smaller bills?
Another useful phrase is, I need some cash for rent, or I need cash for shopping. Simple reasons are enough.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Can I have smaller bills?
After you receive the money, the teller will usually give you a receipt. Keep it safe for your records.
Great. Next, let's see what happens when you withdraw a large amount of money, where the bank may ask for your ID.
When you withdraw a large amount of cash, the bank often has extra rules. This is to make sure everything is safe.
The teller may ask you for your ID, such as a driver's license or passport. You can hand it over and say, here you go.
If they need more confirmation, they might ask for your signature on a form.
You can say, of course, and then sign your name where they point.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Here you go.
Good. Another useful line is, can you please confirm the amount? This makes sure you receive the correct cash.
Sometimes the teller will ask, why are you taking out this much money? Do not worry. Just give a simple answer like, it is for rent or it is for a big purchase.
If you feel uncomfortable, you can also ask, is it normal to show ID for large withdrawals? This shows you want to understand the rules.
Once the teller checks everything, they will count the money carefully and give you a receipt.
All right, next, let's look at using the ATM and some everyday tips for faster service.
Besides going to the teller, you can also use the ATM. It is faster for simple things like deposits and withdrawals.
At the ATM, you put in your card, enter your PIN, and follow the screen. It is step by step and usually very clear.
If you want to deposit cash, the machine may ask you to insert bills one by one. For checks, some ATMs will scan the check directly.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I would like to use the ATM to deposit money.
Good. For withdrawals, you just choose the amount, like $20, $50, or $100.
Another useful phrase at the ATM is I forgot my PIN. If that happens, you need to visit the teller or request a reset.
To save time, try to prepare your card and know the amount before you go to the counter or ATM.
And remember, using smaller bills for daily spending is often more convenient than carrying large notes.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Can I get smaller bills, please?
Great. Now that you know both teller service and ATM options, let's finish with a quick review and a challenge.
Wow, we covered a lot today. From greeting the teller, making a deposit, asking questions, to withdrawing money and even handling large amounts.
Yes, and we also looked at using the ATM and some everyday tips. These phrases are real and practical for daily banking.
Now, let's do a short role play to bring everything together. I will be the teller and Henry will be the customer.
Hello, I would like to deposit this check, please.
Sure, can I see your ID?
Here you go. Also, can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. Do you need anything else today?
Yes, I would also like to withdraw $50.
Here is $50 in cash. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good practice. Now let's see if you remember the key points.
1. What can you say if you want to deposit cash?
2. How can you ask for a receipt after your transaction?
3. What phrase can you use if you want smaller bills?
If you missed any, go back and listen again. Practice makes you stronger.
And for extra practice, try acting out the scene with a friend. Switch roles between customer and teller.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more lessons for you.
We have also prepared a free word list for review. You can download it from the link in the description.
Thanks for joining us today and see you next time.